Are you searching for a way to blend the nostalgic charm of mid-century design with the sleek sophistication of modern style? Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we turn your design dreams into reality. Today, we're exploring the timeless appeal of modern mid-century homes, a style that combines clean lines, organic curves, and a dash of retro flair. Whether you're renovating, redecorating, or simply seeking inspiration, we've got you covered. Ready to transform your space into a stylish sanctuary? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Before we step inside, let's start with the exterior of your home. The first impression matters, and a modern mid-century home makes a statement from the moment you see it. Let's explore how this iconic style combines the best of past and present to create a facade that's both striking and inviting. Picture a home with a flat or gently sloping roofline, creating a low horizontal profile that blends seamlessly with the landscape. The facade is a harmonious mix of materials. Think smooth stucco, warm wood, and sleek metal accents, all working together to create a balanced modern look. Imagine large floor-to-ceiling windows that allow natural light to flood the interior while providing a glimpse of the stylish living spaces within. The entryway is understated yet elegant, perhaps featuring a wide pivot door in rich wood, making a bold yet welcoming statement. The landscaping around the home is carefully curated to enhance the mid-century vibe. Clean lines of planters, a mix of native grasses, and perhaps a few sculptural trees or a strategically placed boulder. The result is a home that feels timeless yet thoroughly modern, with curb appeal that's impossible to resist. Now that we've admired the exterior, let's step inside and see how the modern mid-century style creates a living space that's both functional and fabulously stylish. Imagine walking into a living room where every detail is a nod to mid-century elegance, yet with a contemporary twist. The first thing you notice is the open floor plan, designed to maximize space and light, making the room feel expansive and inviting. The walls are painted in a soft, neutral tone, perhaps a warm white or a light gray, that serves as the perfect backdrop for bold accents and statement pieces. The focal point of the room might be a sleek fireplace with a minimalist mantel, framed by a wall of stone or tile that adds texture and visual interest. The furniture is a mix of classic mid-century shapes and modern materials. Picture a low-profile sofa in a rich, textured fabric, paired with a pair of iconic lounge chairs, maybe an Eames or a Wassily, in leather or molded plywood. The coffee table is simple, yet sculptural, perhaps a piece with a glass top and wooden legs that echo the room's organic aesthetic. The space is accessorized with carefully selected pieces. Think geometric rugs, abstract art, and a few houseplants that add a touch of nature. The overall feel is one of effortless style, where every piece has a purpose and every detail contributes to the room's cohesive modern look. Now that we've set the tone in the living room, let's move into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Here, modern mid-century design truly shines, combining functionality with flair. Step into a kitchen where clean lines meet warm, natural materials to create a space that's both practical and beautiful. The layout is open and efficient, with plenty of counter space for cooking and entertaining. Imagine smooth, flat front cabinets in a warm wood finish, their grain a reminder of the natural world outside. The countertops might be sleek quartz or marble, their surfaces cool and durable, ready for meal prep or a casual gathering. The backsplash adds a pop of color or pattern, maybe a retro-inspired tile in a bold geometric design that adds a touch of mid-century whimsy. The appliances are modern and streamlined, yet they blend seamlessly with the overall design. Picture a built-in fridge, a sleek cooktop, and perhaps a double oven, all in stainless steel or matte black. Open shelving offers a place to display stylish dishware or a collection of vintage glassware, adding personality to the space. Lighting in the kitchen is as much about function as it is about style. Imagine pendant lights over the island, perhaps in brushed brass or matte black, adding a warm glow to the space. The kitchen feels like the perfect blend of old and new, a place where mid-century style meets modern convenience. Next, let's move into the dining room, a space where the modern mid-century style creates a setting that's perfect for both casual meals and special occasions. Picture a dining room where the table is the star of the show. A sleek, rectangular table, perhaps in walnut or teak, with tapered legs that give it that unmistakable mid-century silhouette. The chairs are a mix of style and comfort. Think molded plastic seats with wooden legs, or classic wishbone chairs in natural wood and woven seats. Above the table, a statement chandelier or pendant light casts a warm, inviting glow. The walls might feature a large piece of abstract art, or perhaps a collection of vintage posters that add a splash of color and personality to the room. The floor might be hardwood, polished to a warm glow, or perhaps a terrazzo tile that adds texture and interest. A simple, neutral rug grounds the space, adding warmth without distracting from the clean lines of the furniture. The overall atmosphere is one of relaxed elegance, where every meal feels like a special occasion. The dining room is a space that invites you to linger, to enjoy good food and good company in a setting that's as stylish as it is welcoming. Now, let's retreat to the bedroom, a sanctuary of comfort and style, where modern mid-century design creates a space that's perfect for rest and relaxation. Imagine stepping into a bedroom where the bed is the focal point, its low platform frame in rich wood or upholstered in a soft, neutral fabric. The bedding is simple yet luxurious: crisp white sheets, a textured throw, and a few carefully chosen pillows that add color and pattern. The walls are painted in a soothing tone, perhaps a soft blue or a warm beige, creating a calm and restful atmosphere. The lighting is soft and warm, with bedside lamps that offer just the right amount of light for reading or winding down. The furniture is minimal yet stylish. Think a pair of nightstands in matching wood, a low dresser with clean lines, and perhaps a comfortable chair in the corner for reading or relaxing. The room is accessorized with a few personal touches: a piece of art, a vase of fresh flowers, or a few framed photos that make the space feel personal and inviting. The overall feel of the bedroom is one of simplicity and comfort, where modern mid-century design creates a space that's both stylish and restful, a true retreat from the outside world. Finally, let's step outside and explore the outdoor living space, a place where modern mid-century design extends the comfort and style of your home into the great outdoors. Imagine stepping out onto a patio where the lines between indoor and outdoor living blur. The space is designed for relaxation and entertaining, with comfortable furniture that invites you to sit back and enjoy the view. Picture a seating area with low-slung chairs in weather-resistant materials, perhaps with cushions and a pop of color, or a bold pattern that echoes the mid-century aesthetic. A simple coffee table, maybe in teak or metal, offers a place to set down a drink or a book. The patio might feature a built-in grill or an outdoor kitchen, perfect for cooking and dining al fresco. A sleek dining table, surrounded by matching chairs, offers a place to gather with friends and family, enjoying a meal under the stars. The landscaping around the patio is carefully designed to enhance the mid-century vibe. Clean lines, sculptural plants, and perhaps a water feature or fire pit that adds a touch of warmth and ambiance. the space feels like an extension of the home, a place where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors in style. And that's how you can bring modern mid-century style into every corner of your home. Which space in your home would benefit most from this timeless design? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. If this video inspired you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need a little design inspiration. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Visionary Designs. And until next time, happy decorating and take care.